Hi there, let's look at the data table. We add a title, a search, some buttons to it and column visibility filters. The buttons are to add, to clear the sort, to apply a column filter and then to reset the columns. For the column visibility filter we use a vchip group element. So the checked columns are visible and those not checked are not visible. In our table, we also added the show select property in case one wants to use the checkbox to select items. This fires the item selected event. To show a column, ensure that it's checked and to hide it, uncheck it. After you have made your visibility choice, click the Apply Filter button. Clicking the Reset button will ensure that everything reverts back to normal. When you sort columns, the sort order needs to be cleared when other operations are done. By clicking the Clear Sort button, this sort order is cleared. Let's look at the source code. The title and show search functionality has been updated on the table layout. The title and search have been added, so we add a vertical divider and then the new button. These sit in our table toolbar right section. We then add another divider and the Clear Sort button. The Clear Sort button ensures that a previously sort order is cleared. Let's open the layout file. The title of the table is Foodstuff. We have indicated that the table should have search and also show select. The search box will then be added. The show select ensures that the left checkboxes to select items are also visible per item. The adding of the filter expects two things: the Apply Filter button to be added and also the vchip group filter is added. The clear filter also is needed to ensure that we can always revert back to our original data table structure. We then add the rest of the definition for the data table. As events get fired when the buttons are clicked, we define the events for each of the buttons and link the appropriate executing calls. When Add is clicked, one would show a dialog for data entry, for example. This covers part 38. Remember to subscribe to get notifications. Thanks.